Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter, along with 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Spruce charger from Fledging, and this is a QI charger for your smartphone device. Here's some details right here. It has QI wireless charging, USB-A port, USB-C port, 2 of those, actually 3 of those, so that's nice. And then on this side, so you can charge 5 devices all at once. Heat management, and that's why it's a little bit larger than your normal QI wireless chargers, but it still fits in your hand. So this part actually comes up like a stand, and then you can put your phone in it like this, and then it will start charging like that. And then to charge the other devices, here are the 3 USB-C ports and the 1 USB-A port. It comes with 1 USB-C cord and the power cord for the wall, along with a travel charging bag. And it folds up nicely. You just go like this, and then you can charge your phone like this as well if you want. And this is from Fledging and is the Spruce desktop charger. It can charge 5 devices at one time. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.